Hello guys, welcome back to this advanced level combined mathematics paper out video series through this YouTube. So today a nice pure maths essay question, algebra under complex numbers. So please subscribe this problem. Paper out means most expected problem for future exams such as provincial level or zonal final exams. Any pure mathematics or applied combined maths, higher maths or mathematics Excel, Cambridge, any type of problem solving I'm showing through this revision video series, paper out video series. Okay, today we see the complex number z equal 1 plus root 3I divided by 1 plus I. So you know the complex number pattern. Show this complex number this format. R into polar form. This is we call Cartesian form of a complex number. Usually z equal xi plus x plus iy, or that is that this pattern Cartesian form z equal x plus iy. This trigonometric or polar pattern of a complex number is that equal r into cos theta plus I sin theta, where these are known as modulus of a complex number, absolute value, and theta is the argument or amplitude, right? Okay, first we use this pattern. After that, using the de Moiver'S theorem, one of the famous part of complex number. Now, reason every exam paper essay part, de Moiver'S theorem. What is de Moiver'S theorem? Once you obtain a complex number, this pattern, z is r into cos theta plus I sin theta, then de Moiver'S says that for any n value, real n number, z to the power n is r cos theta plus I sin theta, completely the power n, both sides squaring, both side cube, both side the power, so power n both side. So you know the r to the power n, no doubt. Trigonometry polar part, this n multiple with the theta, right? Cos n theta plus I sin n theta, right? This can be proved by using the mathematical induction format. So this is the de Moiver'S theorem. Refer our theory class note in under the complex numbers, right? Where n can be a positive, rational, negative, rational, integer value, decimal, whatever fraction, n value. Every n value that is true, every n real value, right? Okay. Therefore, first thing, how to show this z equal 1 plus root 3I over 1 plus I, right? Try to show this, convert to the trigonometric pattern of a complex number. So one of the basic part of complex number. Okay, you know, usually we use that complex conjugate, 1 plus I, remove that 1 plus I by multiple numerator, denominator by the conjugates, you know that 1 minus I, right? Multiple 1 minus I, numerator, denominator, right? Therefore, z equal, you know, where we use this conjugate format, factorization, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square, you know, complex number students, that is I square minus 1, right? I square minus 1, therefore a plus 1, 1, 1, 2, right? Wow. That is rationalize the denominator, real number 2. So what is the above multiple brackets? 1 plus 1, 1 into 1, 1, minus I, okay, minus I, plus root 3I, here plus into minus, minus, okay, root 3I into I square, right? Okay, therefore z equal, you know, I square minus 1 plus, therefore real part 1 plus root 3 by 2, okay, 1 I square minus 1 plus 1 by 2. What the imaginary part? If I take the I out, imaginary part, root 3 minus 1 over 2, is it? Okay, I part, I component, imaginary component, and real component, right? Oh, okay, I square, right? That's right. Wow, yes. So what is cos theta plus I sin theta format with the R modulus sign? Therefore, you should know what this value in terms of cos theta. What is sin theta? Wow. Cos 60 half, sin 30 half, cos 30 root 3 by 2, tan 45 1. What is this value? There's a value for this. They said the theta is a boundary between 0 and pi by 2, a number, right? Acute angle, right? So they are stuck. Therefore, my dear students, in this case, it won't work. Impossible way if you follow this method. We start because we don't know this value exactly what that. Not need to necessary to by keeping hard this such a search format, right? Therefore, I think my approaching the sir fail, sir wrong. We try another one. Check that. I'm showing here all possibilities how the students work out making the exam answering. Okay. Therefore, see, this is a hard work. We use follow this pattern. As usual case difficult. So turn over to another quick method. Completely a complex number. Numerator is a complex number. Denominator is a complex number. Then why don't you make this part separately trigonometric form or polar form? This also trigonometry or polar form, right? Okay. Is that equal? How this x plus iy format convert to polar form? If you're full fluent in trigonometry, real part square 1, imaginary part square is 3, root 3 square 3. 3 and 1, 4, square root is 2, right? Take the 2 out and divide by 2. Is it? From the first principle I am showing here, numerator is okay, right? Similar what the denominator here, 1 square 1, 1 square 1, I component 1, 1, 1 square 2, square root is 2. Therefore, divide by root 2, 1 over root 2 plus 1 over root 2i, okay? If you multiple root 2, this part available. If you multiple 2, this part is available, right? Wow, yes. This you can, we won't write the irrational values, right? It becomes root 2. Now very clear, cos theta, sin theta format. Cos angle is half, sin angle is root 3 by 2. Cos theta half, 60 degrees or pi by 3, right? Therefore, cos pi by 3 plus I sine pi by 3, okay, over, this is simplify here root 2, okay, therefore 1 here, right? 1 over root 2, wow, pi by 4, 45 degrees, right? Therefore, that is cos pi by 4 plus I sine pi by 4, right? See this superb method when you approach a different traditional method as usual, primary level, some questions stuck, difficult. Okay, see next one. And the famous rule in complex numbers, when two complex numbers are dividing, no? When two complex numbers are dividing, its modulus divide, argument subtract. Modulus divide, argument subtract, right? Therefore, z equal your square root 2 tell you a single complex number cos arguments or amplitude theta to be subtracted. Pi by 3 minus pi by 5 right at the beginning. Pi by 3 minus pi by 4. 60 minus 45 degrees, right? Plus I into sine pi by 3 minus pi by 4, right? Okay. So furthermore, z equals square root 2. What is that? 60 minus 45, 15 degrees. 60, yes, 15, pi by 12. Wow. Therefore, dear student, the early answer is a pi by 12 as a very big problem for us to use it or by keep heart memory, that memorizing such as that irrational component I have shown you earlier, difficult. This is a nice work, cos pi by 12, right? Cos pi by 12 plus I sine pi by 12. This is that z form. This called R is, this is theta, right? R called modulus, theta argument, right? Okay. Now use the de Moiver'S theorem, show this answer. That is z, right? Therefore, z to the power 24. So that is a root 2 power 24. As I shown, 24 comes here. You can multiple with the angle, that amplitude or modulus this argument. The power should multiple z equal cos theta plus I sin theta. When you use de Moiver's theorem, z equal cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Okay, therefore this is cos, take the 24 pi by 12 plus I sin 24 pi by 12. Okay, therefore final answer z equal, what is root 2 to the power 24? You know, root 2 is power half, square root power half, therefore 12, 2 to the power 12. What is inside? Cos 2 pi, cos 2 pi, okay, cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi, okay, 2 to the power 12. What is cos 2 pi? What is cos 2 pi? 1 pi, 2 pi. Cos naught is 1. Cos 2 pi is 1. What is sin 2 pi? 0. Sin naught, naught. Wow, they have a nice expected problem, future exams. One of the part in pure maths paper under the complex number. You know, A part matrix algebra, B part complex number, locus, de Moiver's theorem, and some relations in terms of modulus and argument, in case questions. Okay, we'll see next time a nice expected paper out video series. Please subscribe and share this for you among your friends, colleague, and any type of mathematicians. You can use it. Goodbye.